All right, so I'm going to be going over how to buy crypto on Uphold for beginners. Now, the cool thing about Uphold is that it's not just for cryptocurrency, but you can trade actual currencies on here, stocks, metals, and they've got 3 cryptos on here that are really hard to find in the US, which I'm going to touch on shortly. Now, I'm just kind of going through the homepage here, but we're going to check out my account. The reason I started using Uphold was because I wanted to buy some more XRP, and obviously XRP's kind of become hard to get in the US right now with the SEC stuff. But I'm a big holder of XRP. I've got well over 100K coins. And for whatever reason, man, I just had to buy a little bit more, right? So right now I have right around $3,000 worth of XRP here on Uphold. And as far as like connecting a debit or credit card or checking account, it's very easy to do. Also, verifying your account is instant. So once you send in some information, whatever, like your driver's license, you're basically good to go. There's like no delay or anything like that. Now, the 3 coins I want to talk about on here that you can get, which are hard to find in other places, the first being XRP, obviously. The second being Bitcoin Gold. Now, if you don't know what Bitcoin Gold is, it's a coin that's really been making its way up the charts. It's a top 100 cryptocurrency. It's not talked about a whole lot, but, it's definitely making a move, right? So, I mean, Bitcoin Gold, I'd recommend looking into that coin a little bit. And they also have Polkadot, which is a top 10 cryptocurrency. So like I said, other than those 3 coins on here, if you're in the US, you've got currencies you can buy and sell on here as well, which is cool. Pesos, British pounds, I mean, you name it. They've got, every kind of currency you can imagine. Then they've got metals that you can get into as well. So if you want to buy and sell some gold, silver, things like that, you can obviously do that as well. But honestly, for me, guys, the whole reason I got started here was because, I wanted some more XRP. But as far as like usability, the way it looks right now on the desktop, this is exactly how it looks when you're using your phone. And to be honest with you, when I've made any kind of purchases or trades, it's just been on my phone. But, so far, so good. Happy with it. And if you're looking to buy the coins I mentioned and you're in the US, like I said, XRP, Bitcoin Gold, or some Polkadot, Uphold would be, an exchange you could do that. All right. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this. If you have any questions about using Uphold or, any cryptocurrencies you can get on here, feel free to message me below in the comments. Please smash the like button. Thanks for watching it, and we'll see you in the next one.